Introducing Dacia Bigster, the latest add-on to the Dacia family. Available in 4 fantastic trims. The Essential trim, with 17-inch Turgan alloy wheels, a 7-inch digital dashboard, a sleek 10-inch media display, and a low central console. A cruise control, rear parking sensors, and a rear-view camera. If you're looking for more, the Expression trim has 17-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels, a stylish shark fin antenna, and fog lights. It also has dual-zone automatic climate control and electric parking brake. Now let's talk about the Extreme and Journey trims, Dacia's top-of-the-line options. Both trims are packed with premium features, including 18-inch wheels, tinted rear windows, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, a stunning 19-inch digital dashboard, the connected Media Nav Live system, and a high central console with refrigerated storage. The Extreme trim comes with copper brown accents, modular roof bars, a panoramic sunroof, and rubber mats in both the cabin and boot. The Journey trim is all about refined comfort. Experience an exclusive interior ambiance with an electrically adjustable driver's seat and a hands-free electric tailgate. When it comes to performance, Dacia Bigster offers 4 engine options: mild hybrid 140, mild hybrid 134x4, mild hybrid G140, running on LPG, and the hybrid 155, combining smooth automatic transmission with impressive efficiency. So, which trim fits your lifestyle best? Let us know in the comments.